guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring a new VANA box to show you by STYLEVANA. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, the brand newly released STYLEVANA box is now here and I get to show you. STYLEVANA did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys know, STYLEVANA, literally, I tell you guys in every video, can and could be and should be your one-stop shopping for all that you need K-beauty and J-beauty related. They have skincare, they have hair care, they have makeup, they have so much amazing items, so many amazing brands. You can shop, rest assured that everything is gonna be authentic. You're gonna get it shipped quickly. So let's go ahead and dive in. This one again just launched. You can now get this one, snag them before they sell out. I will have the link down below to take you straight to it because the day you're seeing this is the day that it's launching. So to get all the pricing and all of the availability, follow the link down below. It's definitely discounted because it's all in a kit, readily available for you, and most of them are like a whole skincare routine or close enough to it, get you good products. So I love when they come out with their VANA boxes. I think it's like every quarter they do, so you can always check them out. If you go to their website just to see if they have any, you can go in the search and just type in VANA box or VANA family, and any curated boxes that they have available at the time will show up at that time. So I just love doing that because then you can see them all and it's quickly and easily able to navigate through their website by that search bar. So let's go ahead and dive in. This is what the box looks like this time. They always come in a really cute box. You can reuse them, use them for stuff, store stuff in them, whatever you would like. And then when we open it up, this is what it looks like. And it has you a little guide right on the top from AM to PM. You would start with a mild cleanser, a toner, a serum, a lightweight moisturizer, and an SPF. Protect our skin. PM, you would have a double cleanse, toner, a booster, a serum, and then a moisturizer. So I love that it tells you the whole little routine and the step-by-step way to do it. I mean, you could do whatever you want, but they're just telling you the right way to do it. And again, everything is nicely protected. It has some tissue paper and it's all down in this bubble wrap here. And if you want to go check them out at any time for the box, for individual products, anything like that, my code INF10 SheCrafty will get you 10 to 15% off depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout, but at least 10, or it could go to 15 based on how much is in your cart at checkout. So definitely if you want to save some money, I love saving money, so I love being able to share codes and save you guys money as well. So let's get all of this out and see what is all inside of this kit. I'm so excited. Ooh, and I'm seeing brands that I love it. Okay, so the very first one I'm going to start with is a light cleansing oil. This is where you would start with your double cleanse. We would use a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm to get all your makeup off first, and then you would just use a regular cleanser afterwards. So let's get this one open so I can show you. I absolutely love this brand. And I always tell you guys, I really don't care for the cleansing oil. However, this brand does not feel oily. So I don't mind this one. I really do enjoy it and I like it. So it's not very oily. It doesn't have that oily feel on my face, on my fingers, anything like that. It just feels nice and good and it takes off all of your makeup. So for this one, the directions say, apply a few pumps of the cleansing oil onto dry face with dry hands. Gently massage in circular motions to dissolve makeup and debris. Add a little water and continue massaging to create a light and milky consistency. Then rinse off completely with lukewarm water. Again, I really like that one, so I'm so glad that that's the brand in here because I really enjoy that one. So then next up, let's go with this Mixed Spoon Centella. This is a toner, 150 ml. So then this would be the next step, right? What else is here? Yes. So then you would use your regular cleanser after that one. And then when you're out of the shower or when you're done cleaning your face, you would use a toner. And this is the toner for this kit. After washing your face, take an appropriate amount and wet on a cotton pad, and then gently wipe it along your skin's texture to make your skin look neat. Is what it says. And I always tell you guys now, like when I get out of the shower, I'm the cleanest that I'm ever going to be. So I just dabble it on my hands, pat it through, and just like press it into my face. I like doing that a lot better because then I'm not using a cotton round. If it's the washable ones or not, you're not throwing anything away. You're not having to wash anything. There's no extra steps or anything like that. So I just put it in my hands, do a little double do ya, press it into my skin, and then I go on with my routine. So the next step I would be doing here is using the Mugwort Essence, and it is this big old bottle right here. This is 160 ml. And dun, 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 this is what it looks like. Is that a glass bottle? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. It's nice and heavy. And that's what the product looks like. Apply the essence after toner stage in skincare routine and pat for absorption, or soak a cotton pad and place it on your face. Same thing like the toner, I'll put it in my hand, do a little dabble do ya, and once it dries, then I can move on to the next step. Here, what I'm going to do next is going to be the Centella Dark Spot Go Away Serum. And this is a 30 ml. Ooh, that's a cute little package. It looks all green on the bottom. And that is the serum. After toner, apply an appropriate amount to the face and pat to absorb. But this one is going to be after my toner, and then after my essence, then I will use the serum. And this is a great brand. I've loved everything that I have used from this brand so far. So I'm really excited. Like a lot of these brands I've used and I love. This next one, I don't know if I've actually used this brand. It's Mary and May. Believe in Truth. This is a calendula peptide ageless sleeping mask. Let me read this one to see how it's used, because the ones you have to wash off, I just say for you guys, I just don't care for those type. This is what the package looks like, this little purple container inside. And then if I can find something on here, how to use. I should have grabbed my glasses. How to use, and then I could see if they actually work, because I haven't worn them yet. At the last stage of night skincare, take an appropriate amount, apply it on facial area, wait to dry, and then wash for the next morning. I can't really read it, but it does say you have to wash. So this one I will not use. I will pass this down for one of you guys to use. New packaging for sure. It is the sleeping mask. So after you're all done with all of this, you'd put this on your face, let it dry, go to sleep in the morning, wash it off, and then you're good to go. The last item in here is the Honey Luster Lip Sleeping Mask. And I believe I just received this either in this month's products or last month's. And I ended up putting this on my bedside table, my nightstand. Is that what it's called? My nightstand. And I put this on before I go to bed. I love it. It just feels super nice. My lips are nice and moisturized in the morning. And I just really like this product. And it has this type of a top to it. And you just squeeze it out, put it on your lips. So now I will have a backup, or I could save this for one of you guys, because again, I am using mine, but this one is really good. I'm using it every single night, and I really do enjoy this one. So again, I'm either going to keep this as a backup or save this for one of you guys to enjoy, but this is an amazing kit. So going over this really quick, you will then start with your cleansing oil. I love this brand. Then you will use your toner. You have your essence. See if I can grab all these. You have your serum. There's your night sleeping mask, which I would assume you probably only use it like once a week. It's not like an every night type of a thing. And then you have your lip sleeping mask. Okay, you guys. So again, that is all of these products that come inside of this STYLEVANA kit, inside this cute little box. basically a whole little skincare routine in itself. I love that. You get to try out some amazing products. Some of these are my top favorite brands that I really, really love. So that's awesome to see them inside there. I just love when they come out with their curated boxes. Again, it saves you guys money. You get a variety of products to test out, try out, a whole routine. I just love that. So again, if you want to check them out, they will all be linked down below. You can follow that to their site, and my INF10 SheCrafty will save you that 10 to 15% off. They're already low and amazing prices, you guys. There's that. So comment down below. Let me know, have you used any of these products? Have you used any of these brands? Have you ever bought one of their VANA boxes? Do you want to now? Definitely let me know. Again, if you want to check them out, they will all be down below in the description box for you. If you would like to see other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.